Good morning, children. Yes. So yesterday what we did? We wrote all the question answers from textbook page number 49. That is jumbled sentences in our notebook. Today what we will do? We will write them in a textbook. So children, I have not told you to write in the textbook. Though you have completed, it's okay. But now what you have to do? You have to rewrite in your textbook. Okay? Let us complete that, and as soon you will be receiving your portion copy, right? So you have to go through your portion copy for your weekly test one. You have to prepare unit 1 and the grammar. Okay? So you have to write weekly test very neatly. Before that, children, daily you have to send me the homework so that we can do it present for you. Okay? So note down your homework first before going to start. Homework, you have to complete textbook. Now you have to do the textbook work. Page number 49 and read how many times? 5 times. You have to read it. Reading you are not doing. Okay? What you have to do? Write one time in your textbook and read 5 times. Okay, children? Prepare for your test. Now open the textbook. Page number 49. Okay, children, have you opened the textbook? Okay, let us read jumbled sentences. A group of words arranged properly and which makes sense is called a sentence. Every sentence begins with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. Make sentences from the following groups of words as shown. In sun east the rises the. So this is a jumble sentence which you have to write the correct answer. The sun rises in the east. What is the correct answer? The sun rises in the east. Next, are raw sour mangoes. So what we have to write here? First, start your sentence with a capital letter. Raw mangoes, raw mangoes are sour. Right? You have to write like this way and give a full stop. Raw mangoes are sour. Right? Raw mangoes are sour. Next, in good is studies very Suresh. Children, you have wrote very wrong this sentence. Many of you correct it now. In good is studies very Suresh. Start with the Suresh, S capital. Suresh is Suresh is very good in studies. Suresh is very good in studies. Studies. Give a full stop. Suresh is very good in studies. Understood? Right? Suresh is very good in studies. Next, see children, in this sentence, few of you have confusion about it. Let me clear that. Was wisely man the talking? I had written the man was wisely talking. That is also correct. And if you write the man was talking. The man was talking wisely. You can write this way. The man was talking wisely. Okay. Next. Swiftly is wind the blowing. So what you have to write here? The wind is blowing. The wind is blowing swiftly. SWIFTLY, swiftly. Give a full stop. The wind is blowing swiftly. Next, are vegetables cheap? Quite the. The vegetables are cheap, quite cheap. The vegetables are quite cheap. Cheap means what, children? Not the bad one. Cheap means low in price, right? The vegetables are quite cheap. Give a full stop. Many of you not giving the full stop. You have to give a full stop after completing your sentence. He the passed examination. So how we have to write? He passed the examination. He passed the examination. Give a full stop. And always first letter of the sentence, it begins with a capital letter. Right? Next. At barking the was stranger dog the. The dog was barking at the stranger. Right? The dog was barking at the stranger. Well is feeling Jack not. Well is feeling Jack not. Jack is not feeling well. Right, children? Jack is not feeling well. Always the I speak truth. I always speak the truth. Right? I always speak the truth. Children, like this way you have to write very neatly, and don't forget to write first letter capital and give end at the end full stop. Okay? Read all the answers one more time. The sun rises in the east. Raw mangoes are sour. Raw mangoes are sour. Suresh is very good in studies. Suresh is very good in studies. The man was talking wisely. Write this way only. The man was talking wisely. The wind is blowing swiftly. The vegetables are quite cheap. He passed the examination. The dog was barking at the stranger. Jack is not feeling well. I always speak the truth. Okay, you have to write neatly like this way in your textbook and read 5 times. Okay, children, do your work, send me within the time and prepare yourself for the test. The alphabetical order also you have to read and see the answers. You have to check the answers, read them and practice it. Okay, children, bye. Take care.